afternoon, children. Today we are going to study about lesson 1, measurement. The heading of the lesson is measurement. Okay, we are going to study 2 topics in this lesson today. Okay, I'll show you the learning objectives. Please keep your fingers under that learning objectives. 1. Understand fundamental quantities and units. Okay. Number 2. The system of units and measurement. So you know about the fundamental quantities and units. We are going to learn briefly about these 2 headings. Okay. Children, when we measure anything, we need 3 things. What are the 3 things? One is an instrument. Next, a standard quantity. At last, an acceptable unit. Please underline these 3 words in your book too. Okay. For example, children, if you want to find the length of a book, see your physics book. Suppose the length of the book is 30 centimeter. Then here, how do you find out the length, ma? You use one ruler to find the length. This ruler is your instrument. Okay. Then you said 30 centimeter. So that 30 is the magnitude and centimeter is the unit. This process is called measurement. Do you clearly understood, children, what is measurement? Okay. Now we'll go to the next topic. Children, listen. The people in various parts of the world using different systems of units and measurement. So it is very important to use the common systems. Okay. So there are 3 common systems. One is FPS system. F, foot, for length. P, pound, for mass. And S, second, for time. Now second, CGS system. For C, it is centimeter. So centimeter for length. G, gram, gram for mass. And S, second for time. Third one is MKS system. Meter for length, kilogram for mass, and second for time. So we studied 3 common systems. What are they? Can we revise? FPS system, CGS system, and MKS system. Okay. Children, you go to the heading 1.2, International System of Unit. International means universal system. Okay, globally we should have one international system of unit. So in 1960, the General Conference on Weights and Measures at Paris in France, all the scientists who gathered there recognized the need of using standard units for physical quantities. Okay, so there must be a one system of measurement globally. Okay, so this is said to be International System of Units. This is also known as SI system. So the International System of Unit is otherwise known as SI system. Okay, we already studied in 7th standard 3 basic quantities. What are they, children? Length, mass, and time. You know the unit of length is meter and it is denoted by the symbol M. And mass, its unit is kilogram. Its symbol is denoted as kg. Time, unit is second, symbol is S. In this chapter, in 8th standard, you are going to study about 4 basic quantities. Temperature, electric current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. Okay. So out of 4, you may vary favorable with temperature and electric current. This amount of substance and luminous intensity only you should study thoroughly. Got it, children? Temperature and electric current is well known to you. Yes? Okay. Children, now we come to temperature. Children, you have seen 4 objects in this picture 1.1. In the figure 1.1, there are 4 pictures given. One is an ice cream. Number 2, iron box. Number 3, burning fire. Number 4, ice cubes. Out of which we know that 2 are cooling objects and 2 are hot objects. How do we measure the hotness or coolness? Only by one measurement called temperature. Even your body heat is also measured by temperature. Okay. So we should know what is temperature. Temperature is a physical quantity, which means base quantity. Okay. That expresses the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. Yes or no, children? We seen 4 objects. Yes, ice cream and iron box. One is very hot object, another one is cold object. So the temperature or the hotness is measured by temperature. Here the heat energy given to a substance will increase its temperature. Understood, children? When we are making an iron box too hot, we should supply electric current to that iron box. So we need some energy. That is said to be the heat energy. Okay. Heat energy given to a substance will increase its temperature. Again, the heat energy removed from a substance will lower its temperature. Okay. Now, we should define temperature. Temperature is defined as measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a system. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Thermometers are used to measure the temperature directly. You might have seen thermometers, no ma? So when you are going to check your temperature of the body, usually in hospital, you might have seen. Okay. So this thermometers are calibrated or marked with some scales. Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. These 3 are the most commonly used scales to measure temperature. Okay, understood, children? So under temperature, it is a very easy topic. This is to measure the hotness of the object. Okay, and the definition of the temperature, and then thermometers are calibrated or marked differently by Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Children, what is electric current, children? Electric current is nothing but flow of electric charges. Okay. So when your fan is rotating or light is burning, what happens? There is some current is flowing in that object. Yes, that flow of electric charges is said to be the electric current. It is denoted by the symbol I. Flow of electric charges in a particular direction is known as electric current. Can you say again, children? Flow of electric charges in a particular direction is known as electric current. The magnitude of electric current is the amount of electric charges flowing through a conductor in 1 second. Understood, children? The amount of electric charges flowing through a conductor. Conductor may be any object. Maybe your fan, your iron box, or TV, or our cell phone, whatever it is, in 1 second. So mathematically, how it is represented? Electric current is equal to amount of electric charge by time. I is equal to Q by T. So, Q is nothing but amount of electric charge. T, time. Electric charge is measured in coulomb. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. It is denoted as capital A. Okay. In 1 coulomb of charge is flowing through a conductor in 1 second, then the amount of current flowing is said to be 1 ampere. Children, please say the definition of ampere one more time. 1 coulomb of charge is flowing through a conductor in 1 second, then it is said to be a 1 ampere. Ammeter is the device used to measure electric current. Children, please underline the points. Please underline the points, children, without fail. Okay. Children, it is very easy if we do this activity. See the children, a bulb is burning using this charge from battery, and the current is flowing, the current is flowing from battery to the electric lamp. This current is measured by using this instrument called ammeter. Okay, children, the current flowing through is measured by ammeter. Okay, so that ammeter, how do we represent the ammeter? See this symbol, children, this A. Okay, the battery, the current flowing through this battery. So the battery is marked as a long line, small line, long line, and again small line. So it is very important, you should do like that only. A small line here, at the other end there must be a long line. Okay, so this is connected to a lamp. See that lamp is marked like this. So you do this activity in your science note. Connect a battery, an ammeter, and a lamp in series as shown in the figure. Note the ammeter reading. It is the amount of current flowing in the circuit. Okay, this ammeter is used to find how much electric current flows through this circuit. Okay, children, so ammeter is a device used to measure electric current. Now there is a problem using our measurement. Okay, so see, if 2 coulomb of charge flows through a circuit for 10 seconds, calculate the current. How do you calculate the current? Charge Q is given as 2 coulomb. Time. Children, do you understand? Charge Q is equal to 2 coulomb. Time is equal to 10 seconds. We know that electric current is equal to Q by T. Your current flowing is 2 coulomb. Time taken is 10 seconds. So 2 by 10 is equal to 0.2 ampere. So in that circuit, the current flowing is 0.2 ampere. I expect you to do this 2 work, activity 1 and problem 1 in your science notebook. Thank you, children.